Bricks, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use my chopper phone, no chatting a lot. Or ram with my mother food, Spanish town.
Hey guys, good morning. Lord, I woke up not too long ago. Let me turn down real quick. Yeah, so I woke up not too long ago and I'm eating my leftovers from last night's dinner. I don't know if I ended up telling you guys what I ate. I got shrimp Alfredo. Right now, guys, I'm so tired of like rice and peas and chicken, and so I have to eat pasta. I don't normally eat pasta when I come to Jamaica, but I have to eat pasta because I don't know, I get tired of food now. So I don't want no food. But this tastes so good. And it's almost done. It basically is done. I'm sad. I would eat more, but girl, that restaurant was expensive. Well, so good. Right now I'm here trying to figure out what me and Babe could do today. I was thinking about going to Turtle River, which is like next door. I don't know. COVID time and we don't know what's open. Things not really open right now. So, I don't know. I told him that, well, he told me, he said maybe he would be willing to make a video for you guys. I don't know what kind of video we would be doing, but let's see if that ends up happening. Let's see. If it ends up happening, you guys will see the video. You'll probably see the video before this video. I don't know. But, yeah. I might have to meet somebody in Ochi today. Someone sent something for them, so I have to make sure that they get it. Well, I don't know what time they're coming. So, how rude of me to be eating on camera. They woke up early this morning because there was no toothpaste, so he had to go in town to go buy toothpaste. I don't even know what time he go. I know it was really early, like probably out 7 o'clock. Yes, guys, so we're here at Pizza Hut. Well, Babe's inside. He's collecting the pizza. I called him and ordered it. I don't know what pizza y'all love, but I love the barbecue chicken pizza. It's so good. It has like chicken and like sweet pepper and onions, and oh my god. And then Babe got a pepperoni, so we just bought half and half. Oh man, guys, right now I'm so upset because since I've been here, I've been wanting donuts and I can't get no donut. I don't know, like, yo, there's no donuts. There's a shortage on donuts, and the pink and white one and the regular one, what they would have in the store. So then I made Babe go to the bakery to try and get donuts, but there's no donuts. Yo, I don't know why I'm craving donuts so much right now. Like, right now, I'm about to cry because I cannot get it. I'm about to send him in the supermarket to see if they have any of the packaged donuts. Because, yo, I just need donuts. I don't know why. I'm having, like, some serious cravings for donuts. And since I've been here, I've been having some weird cravings. Like, even for the past, like, 3 days, not including today, but as of yesterday and 3 days before, I've been eating Burger King every day. What's going on? Don't know. But, yeah, I'm just here waiting for Kimar to come on. The security man just have a plan. Oh, I'm not really a still. But, yo, I'm so hungry. I just want to eat right now. But yeah, guys, the day washouts. I wanted to go to the river, never got to go because the days just wash right out. Let's take a look at my outfit. So I'm wearing a lace bodysuit with a pink biker short and this nice little belt. Yeah, don't mind down there, so my little fat pouch. But yeah. Oh, my slippers. Let me show you guys my sandals. Hope you guys can see it. So guys, I'm coming to the supermarket and I say me nah left without get donuts. This is the donuts I found. Don't know how it tastes, but I really want donuts. Oh my god, babe, buy me one of them cake, you know? Come here. Can buy one cake? A 410. I can't pick it up.
This?
Yes. Oh, you want to eat Black Forest? Going back down to the pool. I just feel like taking a little dip. You're hating. Okay, because you know, so the iPhone 7s and up are like water resistance, right? So I was showing Kemar yesterday that my phone can go in the water. And then true, when I came back, when you put your phone in water, you're supposed to make the charging port dry. But me never make it dry on time. So my charger was giving me problem, but it's working now. So now he's just hating. And then yesterday I dip in phone and I water too. And in Bex. It's nothing to do with me. I knew you were gonna wait to blame me. I know me. No, true, every time the phone connect to your Wi-Fi. Through the phone, when the phone connect to your Wi-Fi, it nah show the Wi-Fi sign. So go ahead. Extra. See pool here, guys. It was raining all day today, so I feel like it's gonna be a little cool. Yeah. Alright.
Oh, four of it, bomba.
Oh, so you're not seeing?
No, it's a couple crackers and one pack of crackers.
What do you mean? You want to eat the fish? Good morning, guys. So we're finally leaving Ochi. We are so sad because we enjoyed our time here, a little stay. I'm just gonna say goodbye to the room. Goodbye, bed. Goodbye, place. Goodbye, bathroom. So yeah, this is our nice little freedom spot. We might go somewhere to do like a little tourist attraction. I'm thinking about Green Grotto Cave. Me not even know if it happened. I was trying to call the place, but they never answer. I said I would go to Martha Bray. I don't know what we are going to do, but y'all will see it. So we are cutting now. Oh, let me turn off the AC. Yes, guys, I'm going to miss the AC. Holy. Definitely going to miss the AC. But be too hot, man. Okay. Eh? I'm gonna go carry this. Oh, you can't put the shoes. Should I put the shoes in the bag?
Yes, you can carry on one trip and race. So let me see your work magic now.
Bombat! Guys, look all my hand full up, right? And true me say, yo, you guys know when you guys go to the groceries and you make one trip, so you don't have to make more than one trip. So I was telling him about that. So now, it might cost me and I say I should be able to do that. So you know what? Let me show him so I'm able to do that. Hold on, guys. Is that right? I got it. Alright. In the car. The car is hot. Oh my god, babe. Hurry up and start the car. Whew. I got 2 donuts left. But guys, I still want the pink and white donut. Me not gonna feel nice till me get the pink and white donut. God no. Now go real good. Okay guys, so we went to Green Grotto. I went to Martha Bray and the 2 of them locked, so we don't got nothing to do. I guess we're just gonna go home. And guess that's the flex. I'm kind of vexed still. I wasn't ready to go home. I want to enjoy my time on the road. You see it? That's how it go. COVID badness, COVID time, you see it. So guess what I got? Hey, donut. Oh my God, so tail, boy. Oh man.
Some boy don't like but them a search. Easy running for the WhatsApp when I text my phone.
Guys, right now the kill switch and the alarm went off, and now the car cannot move because the alarm keeps going off. You guys know, like when it sounds like someone steals a car or something and the alarm goes off, that's same. So right now I'm stressed, man. I just well want to reach where I reach so I can reach home. Right now I'm stressed. Oh yeah, just let you guys know where we are. We are in St. Elizabeth. And we're coming from Ochi. We have not went home yet. So imagine the drive from Ochi to St. Elizabeth. Yeah, very long. I'm so tired now. I'm tired. My head hurt me. My head's really hurting me. And I haven't even eaten. I've eaten a donut, but I haven't even like eaten real food. Head hurt me, man. These guys are coming to try and check us out. They have Ashley Furniture Store in Jamaica. What the fuck? Since when? I never know so them have them thing there in Jamaica. No sir. Since if you always come in like a foreign. No sir. But yeah guys, we're about to get some KFC. We're finally in Bay after so long. My God. It hurt me. I'll know when I come out of the car.
Bless it until man bless. Just with us for interest.
Yo, you can't dance.